So guys, this is my airport outfit. Just like a t-shirt, jeans, and these comfortable shoes, and the jacket. Yes. See you in the airport. I had to get breakfast first because I was so hungry, and I found this really cute place. I'll put the name on the screen. I had some matcha tea. I ordered this bowl and it was amazing. So my sister has been waiting for me for like 3 hours, and I was like, just sit somewhere, I'm gonna find you. So we said McDonald's, but how many McDonald's do we have in the Paris Charles de Gaulle airport? Jeez.
I'm going to start crying. I was going back to my room.
So guys, like I've mentioned before, filming was not allowed when we were down in the cellars doing the tours. So I took a footage that you're gonna see in the next post or the next video, and yeah, I hope you learn a thing or two. Enjoy.
G.H Mumm. These letters represent the man who gave his name to the Champagne House, founded in 1827. George Herman Mumm's motto, Nec plus ultra, only the best, expresses his quest for excellence, which the house pursues with the same passion to this day. From its very beginnings, the house began acquiring vines in the most prestigious terroirs of Champagne, most notably in Verzenay on the Montagne de Reims. It is in this village, famed for its Pinot Noir, that the house purchased the first parcel of its vineyards. For almost 200 years, Maison Mumm has been exploring new ways to reveal the essence of Pinot Noir, its signature grape variety. This highly expressive grape defines the singular style of Mumm wines with their complexity, structure, freshness, and rich fruitiness. Cellar master Laurent Frenet is the gatekeeper of Maison Mumm's style. His role is to perpetuate, transmit, and innovate. Maison Mumm has always been driven by the avant-garde vision of George Herman Mumm, which spurs the house to continually evolve and explore. Since 1838, when it became the first house to install its presses directly amongst the vines in order to ensure the grapes were pressed with optimal freshness and quality, until today with the creation of Mumm Grand Cordon Stellar, the first champagne to be enjoyed at zero gravity, innovation remains at the heart of Mumm's savoir-faire and its uncompromising perfectionism, symbolized by the famous red cordon that has adorned its bottle since 1876. The iconic bottle of Mumm Grand Cordon represents another technical feat for the house, with a design that enhances the wine's aging and its aromatic complexity. In order to produce its exceptional champagnes, such as those from the RSRV collection that are made from 100% Grand Cru wines, the house takes the greatest care of its vines. Maison Mumm's remarkable terroir of 216 hectares, of which 160 are classified with the ultimate Grand Cru status, is certified as an area for sustainable viticulture in the Champagne region. The vines are cultivated without herbicides, using new methods that respect the environment and preserve biodiversity. Mumm produces outstanding grapes while striving to minimize its impact on nature. Illustrating a new French art of vivre, Maison Mumm invites us to celebrate tomorrow's new horizons.
So let's try one. And